Welcome to our guide on booking a table reservation from the menu. We'll walk you through the steps to easily secure your spot at your favorite restaurant using your mobile device. Start by scanning the QR code on the table. This allows you to view the menu, place orders, and book a table reservation directly from your mobile device, making the process seamless and convenient. To book a table, click on the red circle next to the restaurant banner image. This will take you to the reservation screen where you can select the date and number of people for your reservation. Choose a date from the calendar and specify the number of people attending. This step ensures that your reservation is tailored to your needs, providing a personalized dining experience. Next, select your preferred time for the reservation. To finalize, enter your email, the name for the reservation, and a contact phone number, ensuring all details are accurate. Confirm your table reservation by clicking the Confirm Booking button. This action secures your spot and allows you to review the details provided, ensuring everything is correct. After confirmation, you'll receive an email with your booking details. This serves as a reference and ensures you have all the necessary information for your upcoming dining experience.